I'm gonna line this, I'm gonna flip her over. So there's Claire on top of my hair. So you just snip, snip, snip those in, all 4 of them, and it's already looking really good. Have a look, everybody. Hairstyling ideas. Okay, let's say you're just heading out really quick with your friends and you just don't have time for blending and getting things perfect. And oh my goodness, it's not like you're just having one of those days. What I like to do is just comb up this hair. Just grab your own bio hair, as they call it, and you just pin it. And that's it. Like, it could not look any more natural than that. If you need fibers, you just sort of put those in and darken up this areas. This is not a problem area for me, so I'm not gonna be adding any fibers, but that's just what you do and it's gonna look really good. Another hairstyle, you can use this if you're going to a wedding, going to a dinner, and you're not quite sure what to do, you have this helper hair. Well, keep in mind, most brides wear helper hair these days. It is very, very common. They wear extensions, they wear toppers to get all that volume and to get those beautiful bridal photos. And any bridal hairstylist worth her salt, as the expression goes, will know how to add helper hair, toppers, extensions. They all know how to do it. This is very common. So if you are wearing your topper, as I have here, what you need is just a stretchy headband like this. I got this one at Target, but I've seen them at CVS, I've seen them at the dollar store, you name it, I've seen it. What you do is you just want to sort of get that stretchy headband over the mark between your bio hair and the topper. So you do that, and this could not be easier. You guys are gonna be shocked at how easy this is, keeping in mind that I am just doing this quickly to show you. You just grab your own hair and the topper and you just start tucking that in. So you can do a half look like this, right? So easy, like how fast was that? And so you can do that. Or you can go the extra mile, I guess you could call it, and you just start rolling it in. Just start rolling this in into the elastic, and the elastic's holding it. This is where you'll want to get some bobby pins if you want to have an all-day sort of style. And again, I'm not a hairstylist, but if I can do this, you can do this. Really, it could not be easier. You're just literally rolling this hair in. It's a nice way to incorporate your bio hair with the topper hair, and nobody is gonna look twice. I promise you, no one's gonna notice when you do it like this. So that's, yeah, that would be a sort of updo idea. You'd want to take a little more care in doing it than I just did, but like, how long did that take me? Just seconds, right?